Hello everyone, and welcome to another Construction Online training video. I'm Alex, and in this video, we will be covering the differences between the company, lead, and project calendars. To start, we'll go over the company calendar. You can access the company calendar by going to the company overview, and then calendars and schedules, or by simply clicking on calendar in the left sidebar. The company calendar brings all of the company information together into one location. The company calendar can be used simply for events that only apply to the entire company, or it can be used to manage all project and lead calendars in one location. To show or hide our project calendars, choose Show Hide Calendars in the left category bar. Here we can choose which project calendars will or will not show in the company calendar, as well as any custom calendars. We can also create additional calendars that will show only in the company calendar here. When you create a calendar event from the company calendar, you have the option either to apply to the company, to personal calendars, or to a project calendar. However, you cannot apply it to the lead calendar. To access our lead calendar, we will go to Sales Management in the left sidebar and choose Lead Tracking. The lead calendar is specifically for tracking events associated with our leads. This will be primarily used by your sales team to schedule calls and meetings with your various leads. Any events created here will only apply to the lead calendar. Next, we'll go to the project calendar. To do so, navigate to a project, and then choose Calendars and Schedules from the top of your screen. The project calendar is specific to an individual project. It only will include the events, the tasks, the due dates, or the schedule from that project. To show or hide your different options, go to your Settings menu and choose which due dates, tasks, or events that you would like to show. We can choose to overlay the schedule on our calendar using the Schedule Tasks and Milestones checkbox. In all of our calendars, company, lead, or project calendars, we can choose to send our events to Google or Outlook using our default settings and integration. That covers the differences between the company, lead, and project calendars in Construction Online. Thanks for watching. Check out our other videos or our knowledge base to learn more about calendars in Construction Online.